Hey guys, it's National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I wanted to show you what I have in the bookstore to commemorate this month. If you want to see what I have, stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Shawn Jones Harris, CEO, founder, and creator of Zaria's Creations and Journals by Z. So guys, I want to share with you all what's new in the Journals by Z bookstore, and you can check it out for yourself by following the links down below in the description bar or right here. Just go to journalsbyz.com. All right, so it is Pinktober, October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We wear pink and fight like a girl during this month. And so, guys, I created some journals, and these are just a few. More are in creation, and I'm waiting for them to arrive. Once they do, they will go up on Instagram, so make sure you're following me at Zaria's Creations on Instagram, as well as Pinterest, as well as YouTube, to be the first to know when they actually drop. All right, guys, so I am going to show you guys, and they are all the same on the inside, all the same, but I am just going to show you the different covers that we have here. Was for our season survivors and champions who are going through the journey. We have our lady here with this silver fox hair. Yes, silver fox. And these journals are great for journaling the journey, taking notes for doctor's visits, which I think is super important. I work in a hospital, and a lot of times patients come in, don't remember what the doctor says, and then they're calling back to the office to find out what had happened. So this is a great journal to journey the journey. To journal the journey. Say that 10 times fast. To journal the journey of this breast cancer, breast scare walk. A couple of years ago, I'm going to share with you guys that I actually had a scare. They found something suspicious in my breast, in my right breast. And it wasn't quite a lump. It was really that small. But it was detected on a regular mammogram. Ladies, it is very important, so imperative to get those annual mammograms, because if you have cystic breasts, you may not be able to tell the difference between a lump, a bump, or just the cystic things that are going on in your breast. So get your mammogram. I believe they recommend starting at age, is it age 40 or age 50? But check with your local primary care doctor, PCP, or look it up on the website and make sure you schedule your test today. All right, so for the journey, women go through multiple things. They go through the mammogram, of course. You can jot down your results of the mammogram, the date that you took it. If you had a biopsy like I did, I had to have a biopsy done on the suspicious area, the mass that they saw. So I had a biopsy. You can write down your notes from your biopsy, things and questions that you have for your doctors. If indeed you have to go through anything such as chemotherapy or radiation therapy, this would be the perfect journal for you to log it in and journal it in. It's also great to log in for your emotions, what you're going through during this difficult time of your life. And then once you come out and survive, it is definitely something to go back to and look and see just how far you come, how you overcame it, and how you can actually help other women do the same. All right, back to the journal. Let's get inside. So inside we have our cover that says this journal belongs to. Then a little note from me, you got this. You got this. If any of you guys following me are of the Christian faith or are from a faith-based background, You and God got this, okay? And then all the pages, all they have is just the date and lines. That's it. The date and lines. That's it. Just journal the day. How are you feeling? The first 5 minutes, journal what you felt when you got the news. How did you feel when you got the news? If you look up some information about support groups in your area or websites that you may want to check out, write it all down, come back to it, and use it as a reference to help another woman who is going through the same journey. So here I have 4 different covers, and I even have one for a younger group because, yes, it indeed can not only attach itself to the older or the seasoned women, but it also can do the younger women as well as men. Surprisingly, men can have breast lumps and masses as well from the mammary gland. So here are 4 that I actually have in my possession. And then we have this one that just says Survivor. I have a few more coming out. Like I said, make sure you guys are following so that you can be the first to know when they all come out. Share this video with a friend who you know who is going through the journey of breast cancer or breast cancer awareness. You can head over to my site and purchase the journal to give away to your friend to help them along the way, or for yourself to help them along the way through this journey. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. And until next time, see ya.